Hi, I'm Matt Bartholomew, and we're at my newest listing in Burnsville. This home sits on 1/3 of an acre lot with mature trees, tons of opportunity to build equity here. 2 bedrooms on the main, 1 full bath, and then the basement has 2 additional non-conforming bedrooms and another bathroom. The main level has 2 large living spaces. You really have to come check it out to see it for yourself. We're hopping right on top of this old school carpet, but you can probably guess there's mint condition hardwoods underneath. Although a galley kitchen, the addition in 1974 really makes the space feel a lot bigger. Once again, thanks for coming and thanks for watching.